Hi there. So my XHDATA D-808 back together in one piece, temporarily operating the loudspeaker, which only works now when you actually plug in the headphones. Talk about counterintuitive. So the volume is reduced, as I said in my previous email, because I'm effectively attached the speaker now from the headphone socket, but it might still be usable. This is radio clued to power, which should be booming. I've got the radio connected to my Mega Loop FX, so it would be much louder than this, but it might still be loud enough to use, so maybe I'll give it a try, but otherwise it'll get a look at when I get back to the UK. So as I said, most annoying, and thanks for the comments so far, people sending their commiserations, and as Craig said, it does fairly suck. This is like ridiculous, that this radio should fail so quickly on something so simple, if it is indeed the headphone socket. Total pain in the backside, but there you go, at least it's working again, of sorts. So I might use it again, but right now just looking at the thing is quite annoying, to be honest. Not sure whether I would buy an XHDATA radio again. It's not like this radio's had a lot of rough treatment. Some of the stuff that my Sony SW55 went through out in the woods 2 or 3 times a week, falling off tree trunks and into mud and God knows what. I mean, it took a hammering, as did my Sony ICF 2001D. Both those radios took a hammering for a long time, and are still working perfectly well. This radio really has only been to hotel rooms until it arrived here, and has had some pretty good treatment. So it is disappointing that it's failed, but there you go. I hope XHDATA are watching and contact me and offer to replace it free of charge. Now that would be good, given how much work I've done in using this radio and demonstrating how good it is. A lot of people bought this radio on the back of my videos. Mine's busted, so XHDATA, if you're watching and listening, contact me and offer me a free replacement. Just saying. Alright, well, thanks for watching.